Imagine a world where every stroke of creativity, every pulse of innovation, and every spark of passion is intertwined with the intricate, yet profoundly impactful language of computer science. This isn't just about coding or data, it's about the fusion of our deepest passions with the transformative power of technology. Today, we're embarking on an exploratory journey, a narrative that weaves through the lives of individuals who've melded their interests with the digital thread of computing to sculpt careers that are not only fulfilling, but also revolutionarily impactful. Prepare to traverse through stories of artistry intertwined with algorithms, agriculture dancing with drones, and education enhanced by virtual realms, all converging in the vast, vivid tapestry of computer science. In the vibrant intersection of art and computer science, creativity knows no bounds. Imagine stepping into a gallery where the art is alive, pulsating with data, responding to your presence. This isn't just art. It's an experience, a conversation between the observer and the observed, facilitated by the subtle, intricate dance of algorithms. Digital artists like Nver Avetyan don't just create, they innovate, transforming abstract data sets into breathtaking visual narratives. These aren't static paintings or sculptures. They're dynamic, evolving entities, each a unique blend of technology and artistry. Avetyan's work, like the mesmerizing data sculptures of the Walt Disney Concert Hall, exemplifies this fusion, challenging our perceptions and redefining the boundaries of creativity and expression. As we transition from the ethereal world of digital art to the more grounded realm of agriculture and computer science, the narrative shifts but remains equally compelling. Here, in the vast open fields, technology meets tradition. Consider James, a modern-day farmer who sees his fields not just as soil and crop, but as a canvas of data. Through the lens of technology, every plant, every drop of water, and every ray of sunlight is a data point, a piece of a larger puzzle that, when solved, yields not just a bountiful harvest, but a blueprint for sustainable farming. This is precision agriculture, a practice where drones become the eyes, AI the brain, and IoT devices the nervous system of farming operations. The work of pioneers like Caleb Harper is emblematic of this revolution, turning farming from an art into a science where controlled environment agriculture systems are not just concepts but tangible, efficient, sustainable realities. From the tangibility of farms, we venture into the dynamic world of education and computer science. Here, the classroom is boundless, a realm where learning is as personalized as it is pervasive. Salman Khan, the visionary behind Khan Academy, didn't just dream of this world, he built it. His platform embodies the fusion of education and technology, where every lesson is tailored to the learner's pace, style, and preference. This is a world where AI tutors provide personalized guidance, where virtual labs simulate complex experiments, and where data analytics offer insights into the educational journey of every student. In this realm, the potential for learning is limitless, and the resources for education are as vast as the curiosity of learners. But the narrative of passion and computer science doesn't pause here. It extends into the very essence of our being, into healthcare. Here, innovators and visionaries are redefining care, transforming it from reactive to proactive, from generic to personalized. Pioneers in digital health, like Dr. Lisa, harness the power of AI not just to treat, but to predict, to understand, not just the symptoms, but the story behind them. This fusion of healthcare and technology brings forth solutions that are profoundly personal and meticulously precise. From telehealth platforms bridging the gap between doctors and patients to AI-powered diagnostics, predicting illnesses before they manifest. The convergence of healthcare and computer science is not just changing lives, it's saving them. Yet, as we ponder the health of individuals, our narrative broadens, encompassing the health of our planet through the lens of environmental science and computer science. Visionaries at the intersection of these realms are not just observers of climate change, but active combatants against it. Figures like James Ehrlich exemplify this battle, where technology becomes the weapon and sustainability the strategy. At Region Villages, computer science isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of living solutions, where every home, every community is a self-sustaining ecosystem, harmoniously blending technology with nature, proving that the fight against climate change isn't just about survival. It's about thriving, about crafting a future that's as sustainable as it is technologically advanced. And in this future, our narrative finds resonance in the realm of entertainment, where the fusion of computer science and creativity redefines experiences. Here, storytellers like John Carmack don't just narrate, they immerse, crafting worlds that are as real as they are virtual. Through the lens of VR and AR, stories aren't just told, they're lived, with every scene, every moment crafted by the intricate choreography of code and creativity. This is a realm where entertainment transcends the screen, offering not just an escape, but an experience, an adventure where the boundaries between the real and the virtual blur into insignificance. But even as we revel in virtual worlds, the narrative of computer science and passion weaves into the fabric of our daily lives, into the world of fashion. Here, innovators like Billy Whitehouse don't just design. They innovate, crafting garments that are as smart as they are stylish. In this realm, clothing isn't just about fashion. It's about functionality, about a seamless blend of fabric and technology. Wearable tech, smart fabrics, and fashion-forward sensors aren't just accessories. They're statements, declarations of a future where technology isn't just carried, it's worn. From the clothes we wear to the food we eat, our journey brings us to the intersection of culinary arts and computer science. Chefs and food technologists, like Heston Blumenthal, don't just cook, they innovate, blending flavors with technology, crafting experiences that tantalize not just the taste buds, but the imagination. In this realm, cooking transcends the kitchen, becoming a playground of innovation where 3D food printers, AI-driven recipe generators, and blockchain-based supply chains transform the culinary arts into a symphony of taste, technology, and innovation. And as we savor these flavors, our gaze turns upwards towards the stars, towards the final frontier where space exploration and computer science merge in a quest that's as profound as it is boundless. Pioneers like Sarah Seeger don't just explore, they decode the cosmos, turning telescopes into time machines and data into doorways, unveiling the mysteries of the universe. In this realm, every star, every planet is a story. A puzzle waiting to be solved by the union of curiosity and computing, proving that our quest for knowledge, for understanding, knows no bounds, not even the vast, uncharted expanses of space. And yet, as we gaze at the stars, our narrative finds its way back to Earth, to the heart of humanity, where social work and computer science converge in a heartfelt alliance. Visionaries like Patrick Meyer don't just offer aid, they offer hope, leveraging technology to not just respond to crises, but to anticipate them, to not just witness, but to act. In this realm, every byte of data is a beacon of hope, every line of code a lifeline, proving that in the heart of technology lies the potential for profound humanity. For a world where aid isn't just offered, it's engineered. As our narrative weaves through these diverse landscapes where passion meets computing, we find not just stories, but inspirations, not just careers, but revolutions. Whether your canvas is a digital screen or a field of crops, whether your tools are algorithms or telescopes, remember, in the fusion of your passion with the power of computer science lies the potential to not just dream, but to create, to not just imagine, but to manifest. So, as we part ways, let this journey be not an end, but a beginning. Dive into these realms, let these stories be your inspiration, and embark on your own narrative of innovation and passion. Engage, explore, and above all, innovate, for in the heart of your passions, fueled by the transformative power of technology, lies the path to a future that's as boundless as your imagination. So keep dreaming, keep creating, and above all, keep innovating, for in the tapestry of life, your story, your passion, your innovation holds the thread that could weave a new tomorrow.
The Soul Plug Beats.